Hello, buongiorno, bonjour, guten tag, namaste, mahaba. Good day to you, trader. This is Mario from Forex Other Way, the channel for traders run by a trader. WD Gann, after years of research, found and mastered the square of 9, which is, in my opinion, the perfect tool to forecast tops and bottoms well ahead before they appear in space-time. Could it be weeks, months, or even years? Well, you'll see it in just a minute, but to calculate these days the right way, you must find the right starting point. In this video, I will tell you within a couple of minutes how I find these points and what amazing results you can get in your trading when you start it right. Today we'll take on board Aussie dollar, so let's start the rock and roll. The square of 9 represents a perfect harmony which can show you dates, prices, and other figures, angles. But important thing is to start it the proper way, as I said at the very beginning. And in this way, let me tell you what WD Gann says about it. He says, how do I forecast future cycles, you may ask? In order to forecast future cycles, the most important thing is to begin right. For if we have the right beginning, we'll get the right ending. If we know the cause of the effect, then there can be no doubt about predicting the future effect or event. That's what Gann said. And important thing is with square of 9, when you get it on board, it's starting, okay, let's get another one. It starts over here. This one looks better. It starts from here, from 0. So we are starting, this is 0 or 360 degree because this is a full cycle. It's going clockwise. So here, WD Gann considered its beginning of the spring. The year starts with spring, everything starts growing and so on. The flowers start flourishing, the nature is waking up after the heavy winter. So that's the starting point, 21st of March over here. Another important point is 90 degree from that, which is over here. This is beginning of summer. And it's roughly 22nd of June. The next one is over here, is the beginning of autumn, next season. And here we got winter. So we got also degrees over here if you like to consider it. For example, if your top or bottom appears here as it happened on, for example, euro dollar, any other currencies, they had top or bottom roughly around the beginning of spring. On Euro USD, it was 20th of March with the bottom. So we may consider that the next turning point might be opposite. Would it be the price? Would it be the angular opposition? Would it be a time? So this is the way the WD Gann calculated. As well, here we've got divided in 8 parts. If we divide, we got 45, 135 and other important values, 225 and 315. So, for example, if your price starts somewhere here, let's say if we make an angle from here, important point won't be on this level, because 90 degrees from here, it should be somewhere here. So this would be your 90 degree level. But if you don't know anything about the square of 9, I suggest you to find other video of mine where I explain how it works. But the most important thing is please consider as a starting point as well on the square of 9. Same story is on the chart. Okay, let's go to the chart. But first of all, what I wanted to say about WD Gann is another thing from his book, which is over here, page 75, From the Tunnel Through the Air. I deeply advise you to read this book. at least twice or 3 times. Every time you will discover something new over there. So W.D. Gann said, my calculations are based on the cycle theory and on mathematical sequences. History repeats itself. That is what I have always contended, that in order to know and predict the future of anything, you only have to look up what has happened in the past and get a correct base or starting point. My authority for starting that the future is but a repetition of the past is found in the Bible. W.D. Gann was a deeply devoted Christian, so that was the way he was doing. He was forecasting his future reversal points based on the Bible, the numbers from the Bible. But let's go further. I got some numbers here. I got some dates calculated in advance, and they are based on mathematical formulas and the square of 9 I discovered myself. After, it was a couple of years of studying of W.D. Gann. Just forget about it. It's another calculation. I did it. So these dates are calculated based on the starting point, which is 23rd of December. Let me show you. Where is my 23rd of December? Here we go. I marked it as 23rd of December. Please observe that is around the beginning of winter. It must be a very important turning point, turning date, because the market turned over here. And so let's say we are in this area and we see the market starts rising based on this candle, this day, 23rd of December 2016. We can make a projection into the future of all potential turning points, which I've calculated over here. But one thing I have to stress right now, these numbers are not random. I mean, the dates are not chosen for the purpose of this video. You'll see in a moment that some of them didn't work, and there is a reason why, but this is not the purpose of this video, to explaining why they don't work. We'll talk about the starting point. These dates are perfectly harmonic with the starting point. That's why they work. The most important thing is that these dates are proving that the market behavior is harmonic and the market responds to the key points. I mean the turning points. Obviously, I am not going to reveal the secret of my years of work over here. If you are interested how to calculate it, you may consider my private tutorial online session where I will share these formulas with you, this methodology. I mean, write me an email to fxotherway@yahoo.com to find out more about it, about my session. There is an autoresponder with all the info you require if you consider to go ahead with it. Please send me a response. I'm looking forward to hear from you. So let's go then further through all these numbers. I'll show you the results. And now let me just show you how it looks like. 8 March, 16th of April, which is over here, is 8 March. The next one is 16th of April. The next date I would show you, it is 2nd June and 27th July. 2nd June is here, 27th July is over here. Next few dates, I'm not going to draw it. 28th of September and 7th of December. 28th of September and 7th of December. This one didn't work. You see, they don't work, all of them. Sometimes it happens that any other major cycle gets involved and superpositions this lower cycle, which I'm calculating here. So it stopped here. And the next one was whatever. It's Aussie dollar daily chart, all right? So it was 7th December, 24th February, 22nd of May to 18. 24th February and over here local turning point, and 22nd of May, again local turning point, Aussie US dollar daily chart. Next one is, alright, 25th August, 6th of December, 25th August, the green lines here, we got a local bottom or top, whatever you, and the next one is 6th of December. You see, again, it's a miss. It's not working 100%. Local bottom here on 27th of March, 2019. So that was that, 27th of March. So we got 23rd of July and 27th of November. Again, the story works like that. We got 23rd of July and 27th of November, somewhere here, roughly at the bottom of the market. The next turning points we've got over here, it's shown 10th of April is a miss. You see it. Next one, we haven't got any more. What is the next one? Was 10th April. 10th April. 31st of August. Consider the end of August is another 12 days. Is 19th of August 2020 today. So I got another 12 days. This will be potential turning point, very likely to occur. There's a way to check it whether it works or not, but I'm not going to talk about it. It's not the issue. But what I want to stress over here, we have chosen the right starting point, which was over here. When you make it smaller, you see this is the right point, important turning point. Then we can project further on. We can project all the potential trend changes. Let's have a look how many have we hit. We hit one green ones. 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is miss. We got 5, 6, 7, 8, a miss, 9, 10, 11, and this is a miss. So we've got 11 out of 4. We got 3 misses, 11 out of 14. So it's not bad. Let me show you another one. Okay, another one is, we got another projection, the pinky one, the disturbing one, 24th of May 2016. Why it is important? I tell you why. It's an important point. First of all, how it looks on the screen, how it looks on the chart. On the chart, it is another local bottom over here. Let me show it how it looks like. This candle is this one, the red babe over here. Why it is important turning point? It's not anywhere on square of 9. And what I would like to tell you, one more thing. If you consider, here is on 0, 21st of March, here is 22nd of June. Here on 45 is 6th of May. Do you realize that around of the date of 6th of May, many turning points occur? And here at 1:35, we got 5th of August. You remember, recently we had a local correction, roughly about 5th of August or 7th of August, yeah? Here we got 3rd of November. Usually at 1st of November or 2nd, the market turns. And here, 1st of December, the Santa Claus rally is somewhere over here, starts as well. So these are important points. But I told you about this date, 24th of May. It's a very important one because it falls exactly in the middle between June 21st and May 6th, is somewhere over here. And this is 57.7 points. Very important number. Is a tangent of 30 degrees. I'm not going to get deeper into it. So here on 57.7 degree on the square of 9 from the beginning of the spring, I consider this point is important. And the results, again, results we've got over here. Oh, let me hide it. You don't need it, do you? I was just checking this, how it worked in the past. Usually that's the way I do, just to confirm these days, 25th of July, 30th of August. 25th of July, 30th of August. By the way, I told you something about 31st of August this year, so it's very close to the second anniversary, fourth anniversary. We are 2020. And 4 years ago, there was a local bottom here. Would it be a bottom or top? We don't know yet. We'll check it out. The market will show us. So I got first hit, second hit, third hit, 12th of October over here, and 3rd of December as well. We got 3rd of December local top, roughly just a miss of 50 pips, but then there was a big waterfall. The next one is middle of nowhere, so it was a miss. The next one, 8th of March, right? 8th of March, was it 2017? No, I messed it up, sorry about that. 8th of March 2017. Nope, was 9th of April. It should be 9th of April. But it's a green, sorry, it's over here. 10th of April, probably before it was 7th. Yes, it was, so 9th was on Sunday. We hit it. Again, we got the hit, the pinky one. We're analyzing the pinky. Here is the hit on 23rd of June. You might check all these dates over here. If you like it, I got them all made till October 2020. You can see it's not bad. So as going this way, you may check it. We got a hit over here is local bottom, only 2 candles. And we got over here small correction. We may neglect it, but general in theory, it's also a turning point. Trust me, high or low, it doesn't need necessarily to be on the very top or very bottom. Over here is local low, over here is local high, yeah? Although the high is here. So that's how this cycle works. Over here, pinky, we hit it. The green was hit as well. And here again, where is the pinky? Here, the bottom, local bottom or local correction. This one in the middle of nowhere, 2018. This one is a hit. This one is a hit. This one at the very top or the first leg of movement, first wave. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This 5-leg movement. So the top of the 5th leg, you can see this very small, funny candle over here, which stopped. Yeah, so it was here. Another one. Hit. And that's it at the moment. Okay, so again, there in the example before we had 11 hits out of 14. Here, let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4 missed. 5, 6, 7th missed. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay. We got 14 out of 16 missed, but 3 of them were, dubious, or 2 of them. So I might say 4 out of 16 were missed, and all the rest worked properly. So, as you see, when you start it right, when you start in the right point, you choose the right point to project your future turning points from this one. you will find, you'll find the Holy Grail. That's the Holy Grail of trading. Trust me. You can do it. Well, as I said, if you are interested to find it out, just write me an email. I will share it with you. Obviously not for free. It's paid training session. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time. Take care of yourself. Happy trading, and bye-bye.